Alright, y'all. So today we're gonna be making some blizzards
in the stand mixer.
In a stand mixer. We already froze the bowl. It's in the freezer, I think. And
show your ingredients.
Yeah. So we had pre-made brownies because we didn't feel like making lazy. But yeah, we got these from Kroger. We got Oreos.
This is not yes, okay.
Then we got chocolate syrup. Great value.
That's Kroger brand. Oh, that's not Walmart.
Kroger value. Then we got Magic Shell chocolate fudge. I don't know what this is, but it's for my mama because I'm not using it.
We have vanilla ice cream and we have whipped cream too.
So here's the bowl. You can see the cold smoke coming from
fresh out the freezer. Locked it in. This is our ice cream. We're gonna be putting this whole tub of ice cream
in there
in the mixer
because we're big bags.
We'll get back with you.
Okay, so we got our tool.
You don't have to do it all together. Just take a scoop.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, see, you're doing too much.
What? I didn't even. Okay, see.
Nope. Okay, so Mackenzie is about to crush up the Oreos. I heard in a video that crushing up your toppings works easier when you're trying to blend it all together. So Mackenzie's just gonna put them in a Ziploc bag. Probably get a hammer, a spoon, something quick, easy, and crush it up. We'll be back.
Okay, so we finna pour. Well, y'all can see that the
you
ice
gotta
cream
mix
is
it
in
first.
there.
Start mixing it before you put your stuff in.
Okay, guys, y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but it's on, and we're slushing it up. Yeah, it's like that thing. Oh, go in there.
Oreos added.
We're about to add some brownies, like 4, 5, I don't know. But we're gonna add some to the thing.
There you go.
You just put them in there or don't crush them up?
You can break them. Yeah, as you put them in there, break them up. I think 2 is gonna do it.
Oh, that's it?
These are our cups. You know, we gotta make it look a little fancy.
Clock that tea. Think that's enough. Jesus.
Y'all cans want to be fat and put some at the bottom.
I get it. Hold on.
Okay. So far, we didn't add any toppings yet, but I'm gonna let Ken's add some whipped cream on top of hers and do that, and we'll let you know.
So we sprinkling some. Well, my mom's sprinkling some Oreos on mine. Mine looks very fancy, very demure, very classy, very mindful.
Or you can put some chocolate syrup on the top.
Yes, like a little bit.
Do you want shell or chocolate syrup?
I don't know what shell is.
Okay, well, you do the chocolate syrup.
What?
Shell is much too good for children anyway.
Back up. No.
Okay, because it's going to be spilling in a minute.
Oh, it is?
Exactly. Okay.
Clock that too. Very demure.
I'm over here shaking up shell.
So good.
Okay. Did you eat any of the brownies? This is mine, y'all. And I put shell, a little whipped cream. Mackenzie said it's better than Dairy Queen, but
It is.
I ain't taste mine yet.
Thank you. Hurry up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, tea, right? Tea. Tea, right?
Very good. Very good.